something?
Oh, Teacup, I have your clone.
Oh, my clone! Wow,
Teacup is the only woman that can be objectified.
The only woman. Hey,
Yeah.
I'll take it. Means other women aren't objectified.
Yeah.
I'll be an object.
I have collected 3
Whoa,
whoopee
Teacup,
cushions.
have some
I definitely
self-worth.
didn't steal them.
But look, I can be a tea kettle.
Have you even had tea?
No. That's not true. I've had boba tea. That counts.
That's different. That doesn't count.
Are you
Wait,
sure?
what tea?
Boba tea.
Teacup hasn't had tea, and Teacup is Teacup.
Well, no,
Dragon,
I'm
so
a teacup. I'm not
Hey!
tea.
The British man
if
is
you're-
here!
No, but if you're a teacups always have tea. But you don't have tea.
Yeah.
You haven't had tea.
Sometimes they have dragons in them. I've got 2 on my desk. They're really cute.
But you're supposed to be a dragon with a teacup, and the teacup's supposed to have tea
No.
in it.